YouTube. So I come out to my front yard and I notice that this bag of bird seed has sprouted. Look like some sunflowers right here. That's cool. Wow, look at that. That's like mold. Oh, look at that. Candy wrapper. Like, that's like mold, dude. What? Look at all those sprouts. Crazy. All that grew in the bucket. Take a look inside the bag. There's still something in there. What the heck? Ew. I'm gonna go throw this in the garden bed. See, all my tomato plants are finally dying now. It's winter. I knew it was gonna happen. It's kind of sad though to see them go. They all flowered recently, but no tomatoes. I mean, I had a load of tomatoes. As you can see, that these tomatoes grew so huge in this garden bed. We have some habaneros still. I said habaneros. I mean habaneros. Oh, look. A rotten tomato. Ew, it dropped. Kids hella have their toys out here in the garden bed. But yeah, you guys, let's check the pumpkin. It's going good. Last pumpkin of the season. Alright, you guys. You guys have a blessed rest of the day. Stay tuned.